I'm Adaline from Bonney Lake, Ben Franklin, and I'm here to demonstrate the May gnome-of-the-month. I'm going to start with our mama gnome. First step we're going to do is we're going to take our bag and glue it so it can sit up straight. For this one, we're going to take the corners, pull them in, and secure it with glue. I've cut out my felt hat, and now I'm going to roll it along the long edge and secure it with a bit of glue where the corners meet. And then I'm going to glue along the seam to close it up. Now I'm going to fold up about an inch, inch and a half from the bottom to create the brim of the hat. Your kit will come with 9 yards of yarn. You will have to cut this into 18-inch pieces, of which there will be 18 pieces. And then, once you have all those cut out, you're going to go opposite way of your string on your bag, drape it across so it's even on both sides, and tie it over top. I'm going to divide one side of the hair into 3 sections. Each section will have 6 pieces of yarn. And then I'm going to braid. If you need help braiding, you just take the left piece, go over the center, take the right piece, go over the center, and then repeat all the way down. Once you get to the end of your braid, take one of your pieces of ribbon and tie it off. Once you're finished with both of your braids, adjust them so they look just as you want, and then trim the ends so they're even. From the extra felt from my hat, I'm going to cut a little tab that we can attach the nose to. And then I'm going to hot glue the nose on one end and secure the other end inside the hat. Alright, so take the back seam and go opposite of that. Put glue down for your tab. That's where your nose will go. Alright, now we're going to take our 3 squares of felt that are included and make our flowers. We're going to start by taking the circle template from your instruction page and cutting out a circle from each of our flowers. Now I'm going to cut a spiral into my circle. And then I'm going to start from the center, add dots of glue, and curl up my spiral so it turns into a rose. Now that I have my flowers made, I'm going to attach them to my hat. And here is our finished Mama Gnome for May Gnome of the Month. Happy Mother's Day and happy crafting!